Welcome to the LP Arsenal assembly video by Timbernation. For any help, please call the number below. Here's all the hardware you're going to expect in your box. These screws are extra screws for the drawer slides. These are your 3/8 dowel pins. I set my drill to 9 resistance. We're going to start off with the 3-inch silver screws. We're going to assemble your left side shelf, bottom shelf. Place the screw into the screw hole and guide it into the pilot hole into the shelf. There are numbers and letters on the post and shelves to match up. Same thing on the other side. Guide your screw in and line it up with the pilot hole. Leave these screws not the whole way tight, but just a little loose. The left side rack got flipped around after I put it together, but now we're going to put the drawer slide panels on. So we're going to use our 3-inch black screws. Same thing, guide the screw into the hole, find the pilot hole. These are also marked with numbers and letters to match up to the post. Same screws on the other side. I had to use a screwdriver because my drill bit was not long enough, but you can still use a drill. Also with this, leave them just loose, not hand tighten the whole way. We will tighten them up later. For the dividers, it is the gray 2-inch screws. These are also marked with letters and numbers, so make sure you have the right one corresponding to the shelf. Put on the middle divider for the next shelf before attaching it to the rack. Make sure these are good and tight. If you have wood glue, you could put a strip of wood glue in between the screw holes. And then we're going to tighten up the outside screws. Stand up the rack. Find the 3-inch silver screws. This is going to be for the top. Place all the screws in the screw holes, not sticking the whole way out, but flush with the inside. And we have our metal 3/8 dowel pins. If you loosen the post, it'll be easier to put on. Make sure it's down the whole way on all four sides. Tighten everything up nice and snug. Next, we're going to put the back panel on. The two back panels, there are numbers and letters corresponding to them. It is the 2-inch black screws. Putting the drawer on, the first slide in is the hardest part. It's got to really be shoved in, but after that it's smooth sailing.
Hear my belly. Daddy, did you hear my belly?
Then you're going to put in your dowel pins for your adjustable shelves on the left. And then place your shelves wherever you want them. There are also pinholes in the drawers for your LPs to sit back on. You can have favorites up front. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy your rack.